Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actions, check signal strength and battery level, and make sure Wi-Fi or cellular data is stable. Restart your device and the calling app to refresh connections. Clear the app cache if an option exists. Next, place a quick test call to a different contact to determine whether the problem is device-specific or network-related. Once you see where the failure lies, you can move on to targeted fixes that address the root cause. Now focus on the middle, more detailed steps that often resolve call drops. Verify app permissions for microphone and background data, and disable battery optimization for the app so the system won't kill it. If on Wi-Fi, toggle to cellular data or change bands too. 4 GHz versus 5 GHz. Once done, reboot the router if you control it. Make sure the app and operating system are updated. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall the app to rebuild its connection files and settings. Finish with the final steps to restore reliable calls and include one key troubleshooting tip. Reset network settings to clear corrupted configs and only consider a factory reset if everything else fails. Back up your data first. Document occurrences with timestamps, call duration, and any error messages, then contact your carrier or ISP so they can trace the drops. If the issue continues, enable diagnostic or developer logs to capture failures. This single troubleshooting tip will speed resolution when you escalate the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.